I decided to do the motor vehicle course because it's got all the things that I like to do. It's hands-on, you got lots of teamwork involved, you got lots of nice people here. I've always been interested in cars, doing mechanical things. I like to see how things work, how things operate, so this course appealed to me quite a lot. Definitely doesn't feel like a college environment, simply because everyone's quite adult. This is all brand new to us, so we're getting the best of the best. We're having all the brand new equipment, we've got all brand new ramps, we've got brand new tools, so this is kind of set us on a good path.
You do a lot of work on engines, suspension, chassis systems and the tyres, then you go into classrooms, do a lot of theory work. I feel like I'm doing real mechanic skills more than I'm doing a college course.
There are more things here than they'd have in a regular garage. I mean, like we've got brand new equipment, we've got all emissions testers, we've got tyre changes, all these ramps are brand new, we got the headlight aligning by here. This has given us a brilliant boost to become the professionals that they all want us to be.
I've recently applied for an apprenticeship up in Fords. With my knowledge of the mechanics, it's helped me get an apprenticeship there.
It's just a brilliant stepping stone if they want to progress in a career in mechanics, really.